Well, hello everybody. My new microphone didn't work, so that's an operator error. I'll have to do at least one more voiceover. So Amazon brought me a couple packages today, and well, I'm not sponsored. This isn't a commercial. It's just I thought, I'd show these to you if you haven't seen these before. These kind of clamps are just great to have around the shop, and you know, I I discovered these things a couple of decades ago, and they've just been invaluable. Um, they're little quick lock. What would you call these? Hold on a second. Okay, I'm looking at the Amazon page now. They're Irwin Quick Grip Clamps, one-handed mini bar 6-inch 4-pack and 2-pack 12-inch. I've got quite a few of these already, but I'm going to be doing a Costco gazebo assembly, and I thought it'd be good to have just a few more around because when you need these, they're just the perfect tool for the right application. And I didn't want to be working on a big complex or heavy assembly and not be able to hold it in place. Um, heavy items, you get them in place and you want them to stay there until you get the bolts in. I use these kind of clamps over and over again when I was doing the airplane assembly. So, it's not a commercial. There's a lot of competing brands in this space. I just have used this brand before, and so I'm happy with them. They also make these, which I don't have any. Maybe I should get some, where not only are they clamps, but they also can be used as separators. So you can see here, I'm going to just clamp that board onto the desk, and just a couple of clicks, and boom, it's right on there. So they're just that easy to use. Um, just a little trigger, and they release. And so there's the longer ones. I got a couple more of those long ones and then four of the short ones. Let me see how much these cost me. So the 4-pack 6-inch clamps were $19.99, and the 2-pack 12-inch were $30.70. So the longer ones are considerably more expensive, but when you need a long one, you really do. So anyway, that's it for today. Take care out there, and oh well, I guess I should open this up and spread these out on the tables too for you to have a look. Um, this is the $19 4-pack. I really hate these plastic things they put stuff in these days. Tamper-proof stuff. That plastic is always so darn sharp. So, if anybody knows a good way to open those, like a tin shear or something, and not cut yourself on the plastic, just put it in the comments. I'll appreciate it. So there you go. There's the 4-pack. Let me get those lined up like a regular infomercial thing. And so anyway, that's it. See, take care. Well, one more thing. I put these on my overhead bin. I just clamp them over my head. That's high enough that I can't bump my head into it. But then they're just ready for use. I can just reach up over my head and grab them. I just normally keep those right over the workbench. Okay, take care. See. Oh, like and subscribe.